skating Bradenton. I wanted to ask you guys your names and how long y'all been skating.
I'm Sean Easterling. I've been skating for almost 9.5 years, and I've just been having fun here. I've been having fun here, and like, it's been a blast, but like, it gets crazy sometimes.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
How long you been skating?
9.5 years.
Really?
Yeah.
What you got for moves? Let's see some of your moves. You're gonna show some moves. Ah, a little original. Yeah. Nice. You got some moves. Oh, he's going down to the ground. Yeah. It's so fun here at the rink with all the kids learning how to do this stuff. Nice job.
Thank you.
All right, here we got over here.
All right, I'm Devon Stewart, and I've only been skating for about 1 year. Ain't too good at it, but I got a little something. So.
Oh, you got, how long you been skating? I couldn't hear.
1 year, one year.
That's it?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Oh, boy. All right, let's see what you got.
All right,
He's learned some new moves. Oh, he goes down into a push-up.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, almost a split.
What?
Nice.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Devin's got some moves here. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Nice job. Way to go. And who do we have here?
My name's Jaden. I've been skating for 3.5 years.
How many years?
3.5.
3.5 years. Cool. And you're on inlines here, right? Nice. How often you come here to the rink?
Every week.
Really?
Every day, every Saturday, Sunday. and
That's
Friday.
good. You learn a lot. Learn a lot. All right, let's see what you got. Oh, he's crab walking.
That's all I know how to do.
That's good though. Good
Yeah.
job. Way to go. Nice job. Appreciate it. And what's your name? What's your name? Bryson. And how old are you? 10. How long you been skating?
4 years.
4 years. Cool. You got any tricks? You know, tricks at all. But you can skate backwards, looks like. Nice. Let's see you skate backwards. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Way to go. And that is our friends here at Astro Skate. It's so fun to come here. There's hardly anyone here today, but we just wanted you guys to see some of the kids here. So then there's Jazz over here on the floor doing a little groundwork. But it's so fun here at Astro Skate just to do your own thing and have fun with the music. So thanks you guys for checking out our channel. We hope you enjoyed this little fun bit. It's a lot of fun to come here. So check out our channel for more videos in the future. We appreciate it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Say hi, Jazz.